Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you, and big hello to all of you. I hope so. In this Corona crisis, you are safe at home. Yes or no? So, in the previous chapter already we learned about the previous chapter. Okay, so it is finished. Okay, so today I am going to discuss your new chapter. So before going to start a new chapter, I would like to ask some question. So have you ever tried to fly in the air? Anyone? Okay, can you fly in the sky? So no, because impossible, isn't it? Yes. So we cannot fly in the sky. Then who will fly in the sky? Who? It is the birds. Yes or no? Or anyone who? It is the butterfly. Yes or no? Butterfly can fly na in the sky. And another one, bat. Bat also fly in the sky. So today we will discuss the chapter name is our feathered friend. Okay. So the chapter name, new chapter, our feathered friends. Okay. So okay. Tell me, who is your feathered friend? So it is the birds. Yes, butterfly. So and bird. So these are the three in the animal. Okay. So in animals only these are the three animals can fly in the sky. Yes or no? So remaining cannot fly. Yes or no? So today we will discuss about bird. So what is bird? Yes. So bird are the beautiful things. Yes or no? They are searching their food here and there. Have you observed in your school surrounding? Yes, sir. In your home and your top of the roof. Yes. So how they are searching food here and there. Yes or no? So and birds are also very looking like very amazing. Yes, so it is very amazing. Sometimes they are singing a song. So this song is very beautiful and it is gives pleasure to human being. Yes or no? So these are the characteristics of birds. And have you observed bird they are making nest in the tree on the ground? Yes or no? How they are making beautiful birds? Yes or no? Have you observed in the hummingbirds how they are making birds in the tree, and this nest is hanging in the tree? It is look like very beautiful and attractive to human being. Yes or no? So these are the birds. Okay, so they are making different way, and bird is also very important to our nature. Why? So bird can eat some worms, insect. Yes or no? In agriculture, if a bird will be not eat insect or worms, what will happen? The insect will be eat our grains. Yes or no? So bird is very important to our nature. Yes or no? So bird can where we can found bird? Bird we can found in tree, in a river, in sea beach, in ground. Yes or no? So in the world everywhere. Yes, everywhere, whether you go South Africa or Siberia, where you go. Okay, so everywhere bird is present. Yes or no? So bird is play important role. Yes or no? So bird is important in our life and with nature. Yes or no? Some bird is there na, so which we are using as a pet animals. Yes or no? So you can say parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful and sometimes she's singing song. Yeah. Yes or no? So have you enjoyed the song with the parrot? Yes. So it is because birds is very beautiful and it is amazing and attractive to human being. Yes or no? Then write down. So birds, butterfly, So who will be, okay, who will be fly in the sky? So birds, butterfly, and birds. Okay, so in your mind one question come na, why bird can fly in the sky, why we cannot? Yes, in your mind question come na. So have you think this about? Yes. So when I was also in child, I also thinking why bird can fly in the sky, we cannot fly. Because, okay, so because of bird body is how much, it is very less. Yes or no? So if you measure, take a bird and measure, it is 50 grams or 60 grams. Yes or no? So you think about human being body. So okay, what is your body weight? So it is minimum 23 25 like this. Yes or no? So it is too much as compared to bird. So that's why we cannot fly, because we have heavy weight. Yes or no? And bird's body, the bone is very hollow in nature. Hollow means uska अंदर कुछ भी नहीं, only air is there. Yes, but in bird, in human being, the inside bone so many things is there, so it is very heavy weight. Yes or no? So write down. Birds are beautiful and found everywhere. They eat insect, worms. Yes or no? So birds are beautiful and found everywhere. They eat, okay, insect, worms. Yes or no? So this is about the bird. Yes or no? And yes. So can you observe all bird can fly? No. Yes. So according to me, yes. So all bird cannot fly in the sky. So have you observed in the some rainy season, some bird is there, they cannot fly. Only they are walking in the ground. Yes or no? So according to the flying, okay. So bird is classified into two types. Okay. Write down. Okay. According to flying, okay, so bird is divided into two types. One is the flightless bird. Another is the flying bird. Okay. So according to flying, okay. So flightless bird. Okay. So what is flightless bird? Yes or no? So the bird which does not fly. Okay. Write down. Okay, so the birds, okay, the birds cannot fly. The birds, the birds that, okay, sorry, write that here. That 1 minute. Okay, so the birds that cannot fly are called a flightless bird. Okay, so in our surrounding, okay, so in our earth surface, some bird is there, so they cannot fly. Okay, only they can walk. So these is, so the bird which cannot fly are called a flightless bird. Okay, so example, yes or no? So tell me any one or two example. Okay, have you observed penguin? Yes or no? Penguin bird and emo pakhi, emo birds. Yes or no? So have you observed in zoo center in Kalburgi? Yes, in that emo pakhi is there. Okay, so it is the heavy weight. The body is heavy weight. They cannot fly. Okay, only they can walk. Yes, so it is the example emo. Okay, and penguin. Okay, in your textbook. Okay, emo and penguin birds image is there. Okay, try to check in your textbook. Okay, so these are the flightless bird. Yes or no? And a flying bird. Okay, so flying bird means the birds which fly. Okay, right on. The birds that can fly are called flying bird. Yes. Example, tell me. So yes. So example. So many flying bird is there, na? Yes. So it is the, you can say, it is the, you can say parrot, pigeon. Yes. So many bird is there. Crow. Yes. Okay. So many bird name is there. You can say whichever you want. You can write. Okay. So but flightless bird they are very less. Yes or no? So this is about to bird. Yes or no? So why bird is important? Because they eat worms, insect in our surrounding. Sometimes, okay, in they gives pleasure. Yes or no? Sometimes they are singing a song like like human being. They are singing song. Yes or no? In have you observed in your parrot? Okay, have you observed parrot? They are exactly singing song like human being. Yes or no? Okay, so and exactly talking with the human being. Yes or no? So because these things bird make it is a pleasure or amazing to human being. So that's why bird is important, yeah, in our life, and bird can fly everywhere. Yes, so this is about the bird. Then come to learn about the different structure of the bird. Okay, different body structure of the bird. Yes. Difference. Okay, parts of a bird's body. Okay, so now I am going to draw a picture of a bird. Yes, so you also draw with me. Okay, so yes, are you ready? Yes, see. Okay, so actually you have to draw clearly because I am not professional. Okay, so my drawing is not good. Okay, So you have to draw like this. Otherwise, in your textbook, some diagram is there. You can try to draw. Okay. So here, suppose this is a structure of a bird. Okay. So in that bird, it is a, so we will discuss about the different body parts. Okay. So this is what? This is the beak. Yes or no? Beak. Okay. And this is the what? This is the foot. Sorry, claw. This is the foot. Okay. So here this is called a breast feather. Okay. And this is called these are wings feather, which help in the flying. Okay. Yes or no? So yes. So this is the tail feather. Yes. So this is the structure of a bird. Yes or no? So in the bird body, each and every part is very, it is made up of bone. Yes, it is each and every part is made of bone, but the bone is very thin and hollow in nature. Yes or no? In that bone, only air is there. So that's why the bird can fly in the sky. Yes. So see. So this beak is help to hold food. Yes or no? And catch any food. And the foot also help porching the food. Yes or no? Have you observed how the parrot they तोड़ के खाता ना फ्रूट्स को ऐसे तोड़ के उसका पाव में तोड़ के खाता ना. So means this claws and foot. Okay. So this claws and foot to help to the parrot to porching the food तोड़ के खाने के लिए. Okay. So and the breast feather it help. So have you observed when the bird is flying, they make body streamline. Okay, like fish. Fish, have you seen how fish is moving straight line? Yes or no? Like this, see, bird also make body streamline. Yes or no? And tail feather. So tail means पीछे का जो feather रहता है, पीछे का feather. So tail feather help in the balancing their body and identify the direction. Yes or no? So have you observed some bird they are flying in the sky but they don't know where they are going. Yes or no? Suppose you take one bird and left in Hyderabad. Okay. So after 1 month you have to find out in your house. How? Because they know the direction and sometimes they identify the land. Okay. So with this land and direction they again return back to their native place. Yes or no? So tail feather help in the balancing their body and find out the direction. And the wings feather, feather they are or it is called a flight feather. Okay. So these two feather is there na in their wings. They are always like doing like this. Yes or no? So means they are helping in the flying. Yes or no? So this is about the structure of a different parts of a bird's body. Then come to we'll discuss different parts function. Okay. So what is the function of what different parts? Okay. Okay. So first of what is the beak? Yes or no? So what is the function of a beak? So it is hold the food. Yes or no? Yes or no? hold the food, or you can say catch the food. Yes or no? Have you observed in your surrounding chicken how they hold their food? And have you observed in the parrot? Okay, so by the foot and sorry, beak, okay, in the beak they hold the food. Yes or no? And come to, yes, feet and a claw. Okay, so these help in the watching the food. Watching the food means, okay, तोड़ के खाने का. Okay, so तोड़ के खाते ना, so by the help of their foot and claw. Okay, so foot, by the help of foot and their clay. Foot means their leg. Okay, and so these feet and claw, they watching the food. Yes or no? Then yes. So bird have a feather. According to their feather, okay, bird have a how many? Yes, bird have a, this is how many feather? 4 feather. So first one is down feather. Then second one is body feather. Fourth one is third one flight. Okay, feather. Third one is, fourth one is tail feather. Yes or no? So bird have how many feather? 4 feather. So down feather, it is keep warm the body. Warm the body. Yes. So in summer season you have clothes. Bird have clothes. Yes. No. Bird how they protect their body? By the help of down feather. So it is keep warm the body. Then body feather. Okay. So body feather, what will happen? Support to the body for streamline. Okay. Support for flying, or you can say flying. Yes or no? And the flight feather help in the flying. Help in the flying. Tail feather balance the body. Yes or no? Balance the body or identify direction. Okay. So this is the different parts and their function. So what is the first function? Beak. Beak means this mouth region. Okay. So this is, beak means the mouth region. So beak hold the food, or you can say catch the food. Okay. You can say catch the food. Okay. And feet and claw. Okay. So in leg portion. Okay. So it is poaching the food. Poaching means तोड़ के खाते ना. So then come to feather. So bird have a how many feather? Bird have a 4 feather. Yes or no? So first is down feather, body feather, flight feather, tail feather. So body feather, it is keep the body warm. Yes or no? And tail feather balancing the body. Yes or no? So this is about the bird's body and about the birds. Yes or no? In the next period we will discuss about different type of birds. Yes or no? So stay safe and enjoy the online classes. Thank you. A big hello to all of you.